All right, today I have a Ford F-150 and I am going to show you how to turn on and off the parking brake in this particular vehicle. But before I get started, could you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. As you can see, I'm in my Ford F-150 and I need to turn on the parking brake. All right, so as you can see, I'm in my vehicle. I have my vehicle in park. All right, it's in park, and what I'm going to do is I am going to come down here by where the feet are, and there is a button right here. Do you see this right here? It's actually not a button, it's a lever, pulley. And so it says right there, pull on. So I'm going to pull on and watch what happens. I pull on, and it says parking brake on right here. As you can see that right there, it says parking brake on. And indicative of it is it says brake right here. Now the parking brake is now on. Now, in order to turn the parking brake off, what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back down here below the steering wheel, and I'm going to look to the left-hand side, and I'm going to push it. And when I push it, nothing happens. I'm going to show you what happens on the instrument panel. So I'm pushing it, and look what it says up on here. It says to release, press brake, and then do the switch. So, all right, you're going to come down here, and then you're going to press on your brake. You see my foot is pressed on the brake. Now I'm going to press this. Now watch what happens when I do it now. I'm going to press this, and the parking brake light went off right there. Do you see that? There's no more parking brake on. It is currently off because I did it. I stepped on the foot and then I pressed it. Now that's how you turn on and off the parking brake in a Ford F-150, this particular Ford F-150. You'll want to read your user manual, your owner manual, so you know how to do it specifically for your make and model and year. All right, hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.